Hello everyone. Taking our Southern New Hampshire GAM415 week 3 project. It is to add a particle splash system to our decals when we fire our weapon. Let's go to hit play and see how it looks, and then we'll go a little bit deeper into the code and details. So come up, pick up your weapon. When you fire, it shoots a round of a specific color, a random color. The bullet is color, the decal matching, and the splashback particles are all matching colors, not the same random color. And that was it for this week. How was this done? Well, the first thing we do is we go ahead and we come in and we will just use the default directional burst and ribbons, special effects. It's the template. Then we will go into our, we assign a primary color, which is a user-defined color. And then in our directional burst, initialize particle, we go ahead and assign that as color here and color here. Okay, coming down and looking at the code for our .h file, we go ahead and add a Niagara system called impact effect. And then looking at the .cpp, we'll look at the top real quick. We add our two required header includes. And then in the on hit that we created in previous weeks, okay, so last week we had to create a decal that shows up on the static mesh that we shoot. Okay, and then if the impact effect is set inside engine, we go ahead and spawn a component for impact particle using the Niagara function library, spawn system at location. You can also do spawn system at attached, but in this case, location is it's going to hit the target and then bounce back. The decal would be something that you'd want to do spawn system and attach it to whatever mesh that you might have shot it on in case that mesh moves. For the spawn at location, super easy. You just get a world reference, call the header the Niagara system that we created inside the header. We get the actor's location of where it was when it hit. We get the normal, so that way it bounces back away from the normal. We then set the particle color, so we can take a look at that in a second. So there is a particle color under materials, or sorry, inside the VFX Viagra effect, particle color that we go ahead and set that parameter using the random color variable that we use for the projectile mesh, the decal color, and then for also the impact particles color using the set Niagara variable linear color. And then as before, we're keeping the destroy after all this is completed. That way it destroys the bullet instead of letting it bounce. That's it for this week. This literally took maybe 3 minutes to create and implement, so a very light week at school. If you have any questions, hit me up on YouTube. Thanks.